Are your homemade pancakes always flat, sad, and a bit on the rubbery side? Let's fix that, shall we? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you the simple secrets to making unbelievably light, tall, and fluffy pancakes, totally from scratch. Ready to ditch those box mixes and get flipping? Here we go. First things first, the dry team. Grab yourself a nice big bowl and in goes the flour. A touch of sugar for sweetness, a nice little pinch of salt. And now, the real star of the show, fresh baking powder. This is the secret weapon behind those pillow-soft pancakes, so make sure it's not been lurking in your cupboard since last year. Give it all a good whisk. That's your foundation sorted. Now over to the wet crew. In a jug, whisk together your milk, 1 egg, just lightly beaten, and a glug of melted butter for that rich flavor. Now pour the wet mixture into the dry. And here's where the magic happens. Whatever you do, don't overmix. Seriously, just stir it through until everything's combined. A few lumps are absolutely perfect. Trust me, they'll disappear as the pancakes cook, and your reward will be extra fluffiness. Pan time! Pop your pan on a medium heat and add a little knob of butter. Once it's melted and foaming, ladle in your batter. About 1/4 cup per pancake is ideal. Now be patient. Watch for bubbles all over the surface and keep an eye on those edges. When they start to look set, that's your cue. Ready? Go for that confident flip. You want a lovely golden brown bottom. Give it another minute or so on the second side until both faces are gloriously golden. Now, start stacking. 1 pancake, then another, then another. Top with a lovely pat of butter and let it melt into all those nooks and crannies. Then go in with no shame at all and pour over plenty of maple syrup. Watch it slowly cascade down the edges. This bit never gets old. And there you have it, no more flat, lifeless pancakes. You've got yourself a stack of light, fluffy, utterly delicious pancakes, ready to turn any weekend into a special occasion. If you're making these fluffy pancakes, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to Another How-To Guru for more foolproof, irresistible recipes. And tell me in the comments, what's your go-to pancake topping? Thanks for watching and happy flipping!